Hey gamers! Today we're checking out one of the best bang for your buck pre-built gaming PCs out there, the MSI Aegis C2. Right pointing finger emoji. Before we dive in, check the link in the description to see today's deal. This PC is hot, and it sells out fast. Gear emoji. MSI Aegis C2, quick specs breakdown. CPU, AMD Ryzen 7 7700, 8 cores of next-gen Zen 4 power, great for gaming and productivity. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, perfect for 1080p/1440p gaming with DLSS 3.0 and ray tracing support. RAM, 16GB DDR5, the latest memory tech for faster load times and snappier multitasking. Storage, 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, insanely fast boot ups and quick game load times. PSU, 80+ gold certified, stable, efficient power for long-term use. Wi-Fi, built-in, no need for extra adapters. Peripherals, comes with a gaming keyboard and mouse in the box, ready to go out of the gate. DIY-friendly, toolless chassis, future-proof upgrade paths, and cable-managed interior. Video game emoji, real performance, gaming and more. I threw everything at this machine: Fortnite, Warzone, Hogwarts Legacy, even Baldur's Gate 3, and it didn't blink. With the RTX 4060, you can run most games at ultra settings with over 100+ FPS at 1080p, and it holds its own at 1440p too. The Ryzen 7 7700 shines in multitasking and CPU-heavy games like Civilization 6 or Total War. Even while streaming and running multiple browser tabs, OBS, and Discord, the Aegis C2 didn't break a sweat. Wrench emoji, design and build. MSI nails the look and functionality with a clean, gamer-focused design, subtle RGB accents, great airflow, and DIY-friendly internals. Want to upgrade to a beefier GPU later? Swap in a new SSD? No problem, the layout is built for easy access. Also, it runs cool and whisper quiet thanks to MSI's efficient thermal layout and quality power delivery system. Checkered flag emoji, final thoughts. If you're looking for a plug-and-play gaming rig that performs like a champ and offers room to grow, the MSI Aegis C2 gaming desktop is a smart investment. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a casual streamer, or a multitasker who wants top-tier reliability, this desktop delivers. Bullseye emoji, perfect for 1080p/1440p gaming, content creation, and future upgrades. Right pointing finger emoji, don't forget to check the best price in the description. And if you grab one, let me know in the comments what game you're playing first.